In this video, you will learn how to tie a half Prusik knot. Please like and subscribe to my video. Let's start. You will need to make a bight. Go under the pole. Take the other end. Go into the bight. And pull. Here you go, half Prusik knot. Half Prusik knot can be used to secure item to be hooked to yourself or your bag. I will show you an example to secure and whistle to your bag. Now I will use a rubber band and tie a half Prusik knot on the whistle. Next, I will use it and tie another Prusik knot on my bag. As you can see, it is very secure and almost impossible to untie by itself. Thank you and hope you like my video.